In a previous episode, we covered how to batch social media posts from a single idea. That was a starting point. This episode is the actual system. The difference isn't volume, it's coordination. Most solopreneurs who have been using AI for a while are producing more content than they used to, but they're still publishing reactively. A LinkedIn post here, an email there, a tweet when something comes to mind, each piece disconnected from the last. Research from the Content Marketing Institute found that brands with a documented content strategy are 3 times more likely to report success. 3 times. The tool isn't the constraint, the system is. What you're going to build today is a coordinated campaign. Same core message, platform native format on every channel, timed sequence across 5 to 7 days. Let's build it. Repurposing is taking a LinkedIn post and making it shorter for Twitter. That's useful, but it's not a campaign. A campaign means one message, one moment deployed across every channel in a sequence that builds on itself. The article on Monday establishes the idea. The post series Wednesday and Thursday drives people back to it. The email Friday synthesizes everything for people who missed it. That's 6 touch points from one source document. Same message, different surface, different format, different moment. What can be the source? Anything substantial. A blog post, a podcast transcript, a long client email you're proud of, a recorded meeting summary. The test. Does it contain at least 3 distinct ideas? If yes, it's a campaign source. One prompt pulls this out of Claude right now. Once you have the 3-insight brief, you run the asset generation sequence. Step 2, the LinkedIn article. This is your long-form anchor. It sets the idea in its fullest form. Publish this first. Everything else amplifies it. Step 3, 5 LinkedIn posts. 1 per insight, plus a contrarian take and a practical tip. Schedule these non-consecutively. Steps 4 and 5, Instagram caption and story slides. Same insight, 2 different surfaces. Step 6, the email newsletter section. This is the synthesis piece. Publish mid-campaign. It should feel like a letter, not a broadcast. Step 7, the Twitter/X thread. 7 tweets. The hook tweet determines whether anyone reads the rest. Review it manually before posting. Step 8 and 9 are for YouTube. The description and a 60-second script outline. Use these if you're recording video from this content. 9 assets from 1 brief. In the same Claude session. Under 20 minutes. Now you have up to 9 assets. The question is when they go out. The sequencing logic is simple. Anchor first, amplify second, synthesize last. The LinkedIn article goes out day 1. It sets the idea in its fullest form. You give it a rest day. Then the post series and Instagram content amplify it across the middle of the week. The email goes out day 5 or 6. It synthesizes everything for subscribers who missed the social posts. The Twitter thread closes the campaign in the second half. Run step 10, the scheduling prompt, at the end of your Claude session. By that point, Claude has full context and produces a more accurate, specific schedule than if you ran it in isolation. Then paste it straight into Google Sheets. 5 columns, 1 row per asset. Status column, draft, ready, scheduled, published. That's the whole system. The reason most solopreneur content underperforms isn't quality, it's distribution. You write something good, post it once, and move on. A coordinated campaign takes the same content and makes sure it finds every segment of your audience, on their platform, in the format they prefer, in a sequence that builds momentum. 10 steps. 1 Claude session. Under 30 minutes. 1 action. Pick 1 piece of content you've already produced. Open Claude. Run step 1. Get your 3 insights. That's it for today. The companion guide in the description has the full 10-step prompt sequence and the Google Sheets calendar framework. Link is below. I'll see you in the next one.